Dear viewers, today we're at Game 03 with 22 kilowatt conical rollers for granulating hardwood. How do you rate the pellet quality? As you see, the pellet quality is exceptional. The 22 kilowatt model is our advanced and elegant model, enhanced with innovative know-how. However, with the innovative creativity that we have successfully implemented with these conical rollers, I would highly recommend that you consider switching to our conical rollers. It will be extremely advantageous for you. These rollers are standard, quite similar to the cylindrical rollers you are already familiar with. According to the fundamental laws of physics, when it rotates around its axis, we obtain varying speeds at the outer diameter and the inner data. The roller rotates inaccurately according to the fundamental laws of physics, leading the matrix to wear out more rapidly, and the roller itself is manufactured more swiftly, which results in a significantly less efficient operation of these rollers. This is their disadvantage. These are 37 kilowatt rollers, and clients are extremely satisfied with them. We can say that here the speed of the outer and inner diameters is identical, ensuring the proper rolling of these rollers. The noise level is significantly diminished, and the productivity is increased by 20% with the third roller, which possesses a power of 37 kilowatts. This granulator is equipped with a dual roller system that functions remarkably well, and to verify the granulator's effectiveness concerning pellet quality, we will conduct a performance evaluation. We have initiated the operation of the bucket. At this moment, we are in the process of measuring the performance for a duration of 60 seconds. 4 kilograms and 750 grams equate to 285 kilograms per hour of truly remarkable and excellent hardwood pellets. I am sincerely grateful for your attention. Please feel free to write, call, or contact us and make the switch to conical rollers. I assure you that you will be thoroughly satisfied. Wishing you good health and serene skies.